Because I was thinking like one person starts here, the other
Alright.
and then later, what's the story from near the end? They get back into the middle as if they're just connecting online virtually rather than physically.
O, sige. So, ilagay natin, sino maiiwan? Sino yung nasa Tacloban? Yung lalaki? Lalaki ba ito ng babae o ano to?
Sino yung mas worried?
Sino yung mas...
Sino nasa Manila?
I don't know.
Sino ang taga-Tacloban?
Dapat maganda magkaiba sila. Yung isa mas poetic, yung isa mas popular.
Oo, sige. O, pag kayo na yung susulat ng text.
Nakakatawa kung magkaiba sila.
O, sige. Yung lalaki, siya yung matitira. Yung babae yung nasa Tacloban. O, sinong pwedeng babae?
Oh.
Dito ka.
Sinong gustong maging
Hindi ko ma-imagine.
kasintahan ni Gerson?
Sino yung nasa... gagawin natin yung Tacloban dito. This is the Tacloban area. Ang family ng Tacloban.
Sino nakaka-imagine yun?
Okay. Dito kayo, ang Tacloban family. Ikaw na lang yung ano.
Ikaw na lang ang Laveru.
The coming, ayan, may malakas na ganito, ganyan. So, siguro, kayo yun, gagawin natin yung scene. Tapos,
I'm just chilling.
So, yung scene na yun, yung family nagpe-prepare. Ano ba ang texting niya? Nagpe-prepare, tapos merong mag-text, tapos ganyan. Oh, texting lang ba? Hindi mo mag-phone call? Like this. Texting. Tapos, habang...
No, because as soon as I send one text, one of the reader will be the voice for her and be like, oh baby, how are you? You know what I'm saying? As soon as you send a text, she will read as it for me.
Sige. Sige. Okay. Ganun yung gagawin natin. Sige. Okay. So, gagawin mo, nagpe-prepare yung family. Una-muna, nagpe-prepare yung family. Ngayon natin.
Actually, it should be like you two are packing and the next you are yelling at her because she's not helping. She's just too busy on the phone.
Well, the other one can be nananay. Go.
Alright, so I'm gonna send the first text.